to the moose for Kylie's walking around a Christmas tree wet with Asalee. Okay, so we hold our microphones parallel to the floor like this, not like this, like this, not like this. Our arm is a penguin arm, like this. Flex hand, arm out from the body. Not like this, like this. And a cute face all the time, like. Yeah, okay, so we start out standing like this, microphone on the inside arm, and we're like, put your hand like this, and we push out, and then we go like this. And we say, rockin' around the Christmas tree. And then we take our penguin arm, and we like kick our foot out like this. So we're like, rockin' around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Good. And then we take our penguin hand and like point up and look up at the ceiling like this. And we're like, mistletoe hung where you can see. And then we take our hand and we bring it down in a big circle. And at the same time, we like bend our knees a little bit. We're like, every couple tries to stop. And then we bring our hand back down in a big circle. Yeah. And then we go back to rockin'. So we were like this. Rockin' around the Christmas tree. And then bring your hand towards the middle. Let the bring your hand towards the middle. Right? Let the Christmas spirit ring. And then put your hand in front of your tummy. Not actually touching, but like right in front, right? Like this. And keep your elbow square. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie. And then hand up to the middle like this. And we'll do some caroling. And then bend your elbow. And then forward a little bit when we do that. You will get, and then make kind of a sad face. Sentimental. And you can shake your head a little bit. So see how your elbow looks like this? That's a sad elbow. Make it a perky elbow. Sentimental feeling. And then bring your hand in a big circle. When you hear, and you can like tilt your head. Do you hear it? I hear it. So again, start like this. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear, and then straight up in the air, voices singing, let's be jolly. And then jump and put your feet apart on the word deck. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. And then we'll jump and put our feet back together, rocking around the Christmas tree. And then have a happy holiday. We'll make like we're yelling, like, have a happy holiday. So again, we don't just go like, have a happy holiday. No one cares. We're like, have a happy make a big circle. Have a happy holiday. And then we take off our skirts that we'll have on, big poofy skirts. Plant your eyes in one spot and look at it like this while we turn in the circles.
So I got this one, huh?
Yeah, we go in the opposite direction. Everyone's dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. And then we go back to, you will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily and you put your arm up. In the new old fashioned. And then bend your elbow and your knee. Way. And then this arm goes into the middle. And we're like, Merry Christmas! That's it.
Yay!
How festive. You want to push the square?